Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can use Chrome Remote Desktop. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first of all, go and open up Chrome web browser. And what you need to do is go and search for Google Remote Desktop. After that, come to the site remotedesktop.google.com. Now what you need to do is make sure you're using the correct Google account in the top right, and then where it says set up remote access, go and click on this download button. This will open up the Chrome Web Store, and you need to come over to the right and click on add to Chrome, and then you'll get a pop-up which you need to go and click on add extension again. Next, go to the top right and click on the puzzle piece, and then click on Chrome Remote Desktop and you'll get taken here. Then click on that download button again, and it will then go and download the Chrome Remote Desktop host. After it is downloaded completely, go to the top right of Chrome and click on it, and we can then go and install it. You'll get a Windows cookie pop-up which you need to agree to. You can then click accept and install if you haven't already. After that, you can then enter a name for your computer. I'll just name it how it is, and you'll then need to go and type in a PIN. After you've done that, click on Start. Wait for it to connect it, and as you can see here, status is online. Now what we can do is come on to your phone, and you'll need to open up the Play Store or the App Store and go to the top and click on Search. And you need to search for Chrome Remote Desktop just, and then go and click on Install, and it will go and start. After it's finished, click on Open, and it will then go and start up. Now, I'm already using the same Google account on this phone, so it should go and appear. But if it is not, then you can click on your profile icon in the top and you can go and add it. And as you can see, there is my device. So let me go and click on it. It'll go and say connecting. And in a moment, it's going to ask me for the PIN. I've now entered the PIN, and I'll click on that arrow, and it will now and start connecting. And as you can see, my laptop desktop is showing here, so I'll then move my finger and you will see there is the mouse. So you can do many things on your phone. You can use keyboard and type anything. So that's basically how you can use Chrome Remote Desktop. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.